National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 248, effective until 2 a.m. Thursday. This watch includes the following counties: in Wisconsin, Columbia, Dane, Dodge, Fond du Lac, Green Lake, Green, Iowa, Jefferson, Lafayette, Marquette, Rock, Sauk, Waushara, and Winnebago. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tone for Winnebago.
Winds for southeast at 16 miles an hour, gusting to 22.
The current time is 6:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
In Little, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 80.